Hi everyone, so I thought I would do a quick regular polish design for you today. So I'm going to be doing some pumpkins. So I'm going to be using this purple and it is absolutely gorgeous. That's the name of it there, if you can see, which I cannot see. So it is this real deep purple. I'm really hoping the camera is gonna pick up this. It's gorgeous. Anyway, you will see it when I put it on. I'm going to be using a Halloween plate to do my pumpkins. So yep, I'm going to be using Born Pretty Halloween L004 because it has a layering pumpkin on. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm also going to be using some CAD. So I'm going to do not the traditional pumpkins, so I'm going to jazz it up a bit. So I've got G06 and G10 out, which is like a goldy kind of colour, it's got a slight hint of sort of like a rosy gold kind of colour. If I quickly show you, it's coming across a bit more gold on camera. And then this is a purpley coloured one, really pretty. So I thought I would use them two and probably the Born Pretty black, because I don't have my CAD's black to hand. So I'm just going to use this one, and this one is called Throne. So yep, I'm just going to use that. So yep, I will stick some music on and yep, we'll come back. Okay, see you in a sec. Bye. this is my finished design. I really hope you can see it, because I've noticed the lights are really reflecting off it. I hope the video will edit alright. I noticed I changed my stamper because, as you can see, it's sort of like crumpled. The stamper head, and that was in the red one, has got indentations on it. I've moved it into a separate container thing, so I'm hoping they will come out. If not, it's gonna have to be used for something else, because yeah, that's how it's picking up, which is not good. And this is my thumb. So yeah, let me know what you think. I just wanted to do something just a little bit different, and I think these colours look really nice together, and the purple is absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully you can see that properly, because it is gorgeous. It's got a real nice shimmer in it. I don't know if I can pick it up, but yeah, hopefully you like the design, and I'm hoping the video will edit all right. I do apologize if it doesn't. Yeah, I didn't really think about, you know, how shiny it would be, but hey, I will post pictures at the end. I'm going to apply a matte top coat as well. I'm probably going to use my Prism matte top coat today, because I haven't used it in ages. So yeah, I will post glossy and matte pictures at the end, and yeah, and let me know what you think about how these turned out. Do you like the colours? So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Please consider subscribing if you're new. Hello. Have a look around, see what you think. If you like what I do, then please consider subscribing. Obviously, as always, if you do have a YouTube channel, let me know. You know, I'm always up for supporting people, and yeah, come over and check out my Instagram as well. That's always linked below, as well as all like discount codes and my favorite products and my favorite stores. All that kind of stuff is all down there, and all the products I've used today will be listed down there as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.